Evolution of Bharatiya Janata Party.
In today's time, no opposition is able to stand in front of the rising BJP party under the leadership of Sri Narendra Modi. Talking about the present time, this government, which had an absolute majority with 303 Lok Sabha seats, was able to win only 2 seats in their first Lok Sabha election, and Zamanat or deposit of more than half of members were forfeited. Although BJP party was formed on 6 April 1980, but the foundation of this party was laid just after the independence of India. In today's video, you and I will together try to know about the complete evolution or history of BJP. So stay tuned with us till the end of this video. India gets independent in 1947 and Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, who was the Minister of Nehru's cabinet, were resigned from Nehru cabinet in 1950 while protesting against the Nehru-Liaquat Pact. In 1951, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, along with the RSS Sarsang Chalak Sri Guruji, was formed a party,
Bharatiya Janata Sangh.
and Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee became the president of this party. Then general elections are held for the first time in independent India in 1951 and 52, in which Jan Sangh win only 3 seats, out of which Dr. Mukherjee win 1 seat. Due to this, Jan Sangh party gets the status of national party. In general election 1957, the vote percentage of Jan Sangh doubles and the party win 4 seats. In 1962 general election, Jan Sangh won 14 seats. In 1967, there is a fourth general election in which Jan Sangh won 35 seats, and after that, it emerged second largest party in the country after Congress. At this point of time, Jan Sangh have 268 MLAs in all over India. In 1968, President Secretary of Jan Sangh, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, was dead. Due to this incident, the command of Jan Sangh is handed over to Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. In 1971, Jan Sangh under the leadership of Atal ji joined the Lok Sabha election, and Jan Sangh party is not able to show anything special in this election. The party, which had won 35 seats in last election, is reduced to 21 seats this time. In 1975, a period of emergency began in India, and the Lok Sabha election to be held next year are postponed. Emergency ended in India on 21 March 1977, and this year once again general elections are conducted in the country. In this election, Jan Sangh along with the other political parties of country like Socialist Party, Bharatiya Lok Dal, Congress O, gives birth to Janata Party and participate in the election. Result of election come and Congress had to face defeat in this election, and for Janata Party come to the power. This was the first time in independent India that a non-Congress party had taken charge of the country. Well, Morarji Desai became the Prime Minister of India. Although this coalition government was formed, but the ideology of leaders of other parties was not matching with the some of the leaders of Janata Party. The ideological differences increased so much that demand was raised against the leaders of Janata Party. Either they should leave RSS or they leave Janata Party. Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani, along with some other leaders, decided to leave the Janata Party. Then in 6 April 1980, Atal ji, along with Advani ji, gave birth to Bharatiya Janata Party, which was later to become the largest political party in the world. So till now, you have seen the reason due to which BJP party was formed. And from here, you will see the rise of BJP and how BJP established its dominance in the complicated politics of India. On October 31st, 1984, the Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated. This year, BJP participated their first Lok Sabha election and able to win only 2 seats. After that performance, BJP changed their president Lal Krishna Advani ji elected the national president of BJP. During this period, movement of Ram Mandir construction were being run across the country by Vishwa Hindu Parishad. BJP openly support this movement and gave so much support that they included this issue in its election manifesto with the promise of construction of Ram temple. From now, the destiny of a struggling BJP party was started to change. The demand of Ram Temple in Ayodhya had been going on for a long time. The majority of the country's population wanted to see Ram Temple built in Ayodhya. Maybe it was the result of BJP openly supporting Ram Mandir issue, that which party only had won 2 seats in 1984, won 86 seats in their second general election of 1989. Due to this success, BJP became a strong opposition at the national level. From here, BJP good days were began. In year 1990, Advani ji take out a Rath Yatra from Somnath to Ayodhya in support of the construction of Ram Mandir. Advani ji was arrested during the journey in Samastipur, Bihar. On that day, when the yatra was supposed to end in Ayodhya, a large number of car sevaks gathered in Ayodhya. Seeing the atmosphere heating up, many car sevaks are arrested and put in jail. But still the crowd had increased so much that the fight took place between the security forces and the crowd. Security forces opened fire on the crowd. That result, more than 500 people were dead on the spot. The blame of this incident is placed directly on the Mulayam Singh Yadav, who was the chief minister of that time of Uttar Pradesh. Blame are made that the permission of firing was given directly by the CM Mulayam Singh Yadav. After that incident, number of BJP supporters increased so much in all over India, and the proof is seen in 1991 Uttar Pradesh election. BJP won 1991 UP election, and the Kalyan Singh became the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Babri Masjid was demolished in December 1992. The result of this incident, Kalyan Singh had to resign from the post of CM, and the central government banned Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Advani ji, along with other BJP leaders, were arrested. From here, many regional parties from all over India joined BJP, and they formed NDA, is that National Democratic Alliance, and NDA participated Lok Sabha election of 1996, 1998 and 1999, in which Atalji became PM for 13 days in 1996, for 13 months in 1998 and for 4.5 years in the 1999 Lok Sabha election. Congress formed government in the election of 2004 and 2009. Then 2014 come, BJP participated this election by making Shri Narendra Modi ji the face of PM and write a new chapter in Indian political history. By winning 282 Lok Sabha seat, a government with absolute majority is formed. By winning 303 seat in 2019, the opposition party almost wipes out of the country. So you learned about the history and journey of BJP in this video. If you like this video, then please like and comment on this video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.